I'm Nick. I'm a Middle East Regional Manager of Synology. I'm the Regional Manager of the Middle East region, and I look after all the sales activities and work with our marketing team together to come up with some right approach.
Portfolio.
Okay.
You were traditionally in the SAN business, right? So you had optimizing storage, performance, access to data, and so on. Now you're moving more and more into the video storage, right? Which is a lot on user experience, user information. Tell us about the innovation happening over there.
Okay. Speaking of Synology, people always think of us as NAS vendor. I would say it's right, but not 100% correct. We are actually doing data management business, which is why other than NAS, we have our own public cloud service. It's called Synology C2, and the data center is in Germany. On top of that, we make it like pretty much like mobile we use nowadays. We have our own operating system based on our hardware machines. So you can install, for example, surveillance station for managing your IP camera. So your NAS can turn into NVR immediately, and there is no extra expense on it. Yeah, so it's much more than storage space and file syncing, file backup. You can do many things with what we call it smart storage.
Okay, so tell me about the innovation in the area of video archiving and image recognition.
You mean like for surveillance specifically? Okay, in terms of surveillance, the way we do is more like we don't do camera. We do software and NAS, NVR, that's it. But we highlight about compatibility, scalability, and the total cost of ownership. When you choose Synology NAS to be your surveillance software, you can almost use all IP camera, you heard of it or you never heard of it. We integrated more than 7,000 IP camera from more than 100 vendors. So it's what we call about compatibility. Other than IP camera, you can manage it either with your notebook, or we also created mobile apps. So you can easily use it for your home or for your company. All the things can be easily managed by your mobile because we stick to it almost all the day. And the second thing I would highlight is scalability. Different Synology NAS has a different capability to hold IP cameras. The biggest one, you can have 100 IP camera in one machine. But what if you need more? For example, we have a customer story in Saudi Arabia, Holiday Inn. They use our solution to manage more than 500 IP camera. And the way they do is they use our CMS software. You can, with CMS structure, you can have one as server to manage recording servers. And the biggest size, under one CMS structure, you can manage 5,000 IP camera and 300 recording servers. Yeah, so this is what we call about scalability. And the last is total cost of ownership. The only one thing you need extra expense is license per your surveillance device. All the software features built in, the one I just mentioned, CMS structure, and some other more advanced like deep learning, video analysis.
So tell me about the deep learning features which you've added now into video surveillance station.
Okay, the way we do is we have a specific NAS model. We integrated NVIDIA GPU card into the NAS. So that one can do more advanced video analysis. For example, myself, I use our solution at home. But every day I receive alert about motion detection. It's because of the daylight change. It's not because someone really break into my house while I'm here. So with deep learning integration, the machine can tell these kind of event and object. Yeah, for example, if you are doing motion detection and you're targeting the traffic, the road, it can focus on vehicle, people. And if it's just a cat walk by your backyard, it won't trigger some alert. So you won't be diverted by false alarm. You focus on.
So tell me, this is meant for the home or is for the business or the enterprise? These features, do they come with the software as standard, or they need to be purchased separately based on the business?
There won't be any extra charge of the advanced video analysis. It's the same. You purchase NAS, you purchase drive, and if you need more IP camera to install on the same machine based on the number, you purchase license of the IP camera. As for home or for a company, it's up to you because it comes with the product, the solution. Yeah.
Any other innovations happening in your product portfolio? Any other changes, transformation?
Okay. In terms of NAS, other than we have a technology called high availability. It's like, okay, you have one NAS. What if it goes down? So you can have two, one as active, the other as passive. This is what we call high availability. It's available on many enterprise NAS solutions. And now we are going to launch our very first dual controller model. Yeah, so you can have one NAS and two controllers inside. So you don't have to purchase identical NAS, identical hard drive. It all in the one machine. Yeah.